In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send a location in WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp app and then get into chats. After that, get into a conversation or group chat in which you would like to share your location. Then tap at the plus sign and then choose location. After that, you will be able to send your current location. To do that, just tap right here and it will automatically send your current location, which is detected automatically. Also, you can tap at that plus sign, select location, and then you can share live location. If you tap on it, you will need to choose for which time you would like to share your live location. I'm gonna choose 15 minutes, and then if we tap at send, that will share our live location with all the members of that conversation, so anyone can tap right here to check our current live location. In any time, we can stop sharing by tapping at stop sharing, just like that. Also, we can share or send to the conversation any location, so we can just scroll down to check nearby locations and then we can send it, or right from here also we can search for any location and then also in the same way you can send it to the conversation. That's how you can easily send location in WhatsApp.